Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. The package of the day is called the percent indicator, which allows you to display progress using a percentage in either a circular or linear form. I'll link the package below if you want to take a closer look at it, but I can show you real quick how to implement this into your apps by jumping into the code. Now the first thing you should do is go to your pubspec.yaml file, and in here we're going to add a dependency. So the package is called percent indicator, and for the version number, I'm just going to use the latest version as of today. So save it and let's close this file. And to keep everyone on the same page, I've just got here two files, and in the main.dart file, in my main function, I'm just running my app, which is running my home page, which is a stateful widget, and inside I've just got here a blank scaffold. So in the body and the center, let's create the percent indicator. So if you start typing circular, you should be able to see the circular percent indicator. And it looks like by default we have to specify the radius. So let's just say 50 and see what this looks like. There it is, a bit small, so let's just make this radius a bit bigger. And let's see what we can play around with. So the first thing is the line width, which you can see by default it's 5. So let's make this a bit more thicker. And the most important number to specify here is the percent. So it's a double value between 0 and 1. So if I say like 0.4, that's going to be 40%. Cool, so it looks like the progress color is red by default. So of course we can specify this. I want to change it to deep purple, and the background color should be the non-filled section. So one handy thing you can do is to make it the same color, but the background color is just a lighter shade. You can also specify this circular stroke cap. So if you look at the ends right now, it's very sharp, which is this butt style, but you can also change it to round. Let's just make this a little bigger to see. And yeah, you can see the ends of the purple bar, it's round. So you can change the style up. Conveniently, there's also a center widget, which you can put any widget here, but I'm just going to put a basic text widget just to display the percentage. But because this accepts any widget, you can put an icon or a picture or anything really. But for me, I just want to leave it as a basic text widget, just displaying the current percentage. Cool, so now that we made a circular percent indicator, let me show you how to use a linear one. So let's grab this in a column. And underneath, let's create this linear percent indicator. We should specify the line height. And it looks like everything's scrunched to the top, so let's just space this out evenly and make this line a bit thicker. Cool, and the property should be very similar. So if we specify the percent, let's see how this looks. And let's change all the colors to what we want. Awesome, so on a very basic level, this is how you use these percent indicators. But one last cool thing I want to show you before I send you off is you can actually add this animation. So by default, it's false. Let's make it true. And if I save this, you can see it kind of goes from 0 to the current percentage. That was a bit too fast, so we can make this the duration that we like. So it looks like it's 500 milliseconds by default, so let's make this 1000 to make it a bit slower. And of course you can do the same thing for the linear percent indicator. And I really like this, it makes your app look much more aesthetic and more alive. So hopefully that was easy to understand. Play around with it and let me know if you have any problems. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters!